Hey everyone, it's great to be here today to talk to you about one of the most fascinating planets in our solar system, Jupiter. This massive gas giant has captured our imaginations for centuries, and today we're going to dive into some of the most incredible features and discoveries about this incredible planet. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun in our solar system, and it's the largest planet in the system as well. It's a gas giant, which means that its composition is mostly hydrogen and helium, and it doesn't have a solid surface like Earth or Mars. Despite its size, Jupiter has a relatively short day. It completes one rotation on its axis in just under 10 hours. Jupiter's most notable physical feature is the Great Red Spot, a massive storm that has been raging on the planet's surface for centuries. The storm is so large that it could fit 2 or 3 Earths inside of it. In addition to the Great Red Spot, Jupiter is home to several other storms that are larger than hurricanes on Earth. These storms are caused by the planet's rapid rotation and the powerful convection currents in its atmosphere. Jupiter also has a strong magnetic field that is around 20,000 times stronger than Earth's magnetic field. This field traps particles from the solar wind and creates intense radiation belts around the planet. These radiation belts are a hazard for spacecraft and could pose a threat to future human missions to Jupiter. Jupiter has at least 79 known moons, the most of any planet in our solar system. 4 of these moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, are known as the Galilean moons, named after their discoverer, Galileo Galilei. These moons are some of the most geologically active objects in the solar system, with features such as volcanoes, geysers, and subsurface oceans. Io, the innermost of the Galilean moons, is the most volcanically active object in the solar system. Its surface is covered in sulfur and sulfur dioxide, which are erupted from its many active volcanoes. Europa, the second Galilean moon, has a subsurface ocean that may contain more than twice the amount of water on Earth. This makes Europa a prime target in the search for extraterrestrial life. Jupiter has been explored by several spacecraft, including NASA's Pioneer 10 and 11, Voyager 1 and 2, Galileo, and Juno. These missions have provided scientists with a wealth of information about the planet's atmosphere, magnetic field, and moons. The Voyager missions, which flew by Jupiter in the late 1970s, were the first to provide detailed images of the planet and its moons. The Galileo mission, which orbited Jupiter from 1995 to 2003, made several important discoveries about the planet's moons. It found evidence for subsurface oceans on Europa and Ganymede, and it also discovered that Io's volcanic activity is driven by tidal forces from Jupiter. The Juno mission, which arrived at Jupiter in 2016, is currently in orbit around the planet and is studying its atmosphere and interior structure. Juno has already made several important discoveries, including measurements of the planet's gravitational field that suggest it has a small, dense core. Jupiter is a fascinating planet with a wealth of unique features and mysteries waiting to be discovered. Its intense storms, strong magnetic field, and diverse moons make it one of the most interesting objects in the solar system. As our technology and understanding of the solar system continue to advance, we can expect to learn even more about this gas giant and its intriguing moons. Well, that's all for today's video about Jupiter. I hope you enjoyed learning about this incredible gas giant and its many moons. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I always love to hear from you. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing space content. Thanks for watching.